presenting my key takeaways. So again, I think the title for our market outlook this afternoon has been very appropriate. Could this time be different? As what we've seen from April and heard from April, historical configurations tell us that, hey, there might still be a hard landing. And yet, based on what we've heard from Juanis, technical action is telling us, hey, we might actually possibly skirt the recession or downturn. So indeed, this time could actually be different. Given this backdrop, here are my 3 takeaways for our audience this afternoon. So the first takeaway, uncertainties remain, but there are ways to participate in the market profitably. I think April really put it succinctly that you could invest in defensive type of stocks, defensive exposure, sectors like power, utilities, REITs, income-based investments, and basically just be paid to wait while the market really plays out. So as long as you invest in quality companies that are in these aforementioned sectors, you could be assured that they will pay you a dividend, given the fact that their business models are also designed to be more resilient during downturns. The next takeaway I have is that tactical investing is more important than ever. So markets are at potentially a crucial turning point. So we are threading a fine line between a potential recession or slowdown or a market recovery. Which one fully wins out? I think it might be a bit too early to tell as of now. So the question is still up for debate. But in the meantime, as we've seen this year, markets move. And the way to be able to fully take advantage is to participate by shortening your time frames, applying your technicals as what one is coached us, and reacting as the market shows you its hand. And my last takeaway is if you are actually a long-term investor, it's also not a problem. So despite everything that's happening short term, the good news is that the Philippine economic fundamentals are still good looking over the long term. So the first portion of April's presentation showed us that Philippine growth dynamics appear to be intact. GDP growth above 5%. Market is recovering. It's very cheap, below 12 times PE. That's the cheapest over the past 12 years. And of course, foreign investors have practically sold everything that they bought since 2010. So at least, diba, how low can it still go? We don't know, but we know that today it's cheap. So it's just really going to be a matter of waiting. So you can accumulate or hold as your time frame allows. And I think eventually you will be rewarded. And so with that, we hope that this afternoon has been very helpful to all of you. Good luck in your investing journey for this year. And with that, we wish you a much better 2024.